there, I'm Eva. Today we're starting a 7-part video series on 7 easy ways to make money with cryptocurrency with minimal effort. All you need is some free time and to watch all parts of this series to learn everything. Let's go! In today's world, there are many ways to make money without working too hard. If you're looking for simple ways to earn, things like crypto faucets, games, cashback services, and even watching ads can now make you real money. These methods let you add to your wallet using just a few minutes of free time each day. Whether you're new to crypto or have some experience, these ways to earn are good for everyone. I'll explain how to start, what to watch out for, and how to avoid mistakes. So get comfy and get ready for some useful info that might change how you think about making money online. And the first method to make money with cryptocurrency is crypto faucets. These websites let you get small amounts of crypto for free by doing simple tasks like watching ads, answering surveys, or just clicking a button. For example, in 2024, a popular faucet is free Bitcoin. Here's how it works. You can do a quick check called a CAPTCHA once an hour and get a small amount of Bitcoin. The amount you get changes based on Bitcoin's price, but it's usually very small. We call these tiny amounts Satoshi. Free Bitcoin isn't just about getting free Bitcoin. You can also play games like lottery and high-low, where you guess numbers to win or lose Satoshi. You can also put your Bitcoin on the side and earn about 4% interest per year. Free Bitcoin likes to get new users, so they give bonuses to people who invite their friends. These faucets are great for learning about cryptocurrencies without risking your own money. They're perfect if you're just starting out in the crypto world. What do you think about crypto faucets? Have you ever tried one before? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to catch the next part of our series. We'll talk about how you can earn crypto by playing mobile games.